Hey there, my friends. I am Mrs. GetRight, and today, Lil Herbie is going to be providing you with 10 tips kids should know about money and how to make money. Number 1, the importance of money. You must know how to value what you have instead of spending it because you have it. Number 2, the difference between asset and liability. Learning how to buy what you need first to help grow your net worth, rather than buying what you want that will help deplete your net worth, is very important. Number 3, money management. Budget planning is something all kids should be taught so that they could learn how to budget their money. Number 4, entrepreneurship. Teaching kids multiple ways to earn money is something I believe all kids should be told and taught. Number 5, being consistent. You have to be consistent in what you do and how you do things. That will help you become successful. Number 6, developing good social and communication skills is a must. When you know how to communicate and socialize with others, it gives you a better opportunity to grow your network. Number 7, have patience. Remember, it takes time for everything to grow, so just keep working hard and it will pay off. You can't rush greatness. Number 8, stay humble. Never forget what it took for you to become successful, and use those same guidelines to remain successful and just add to it. Number 9, be willing to help others. Never put money before people. Always be willing to share your knowledge with others. Number 10, duplication. You have to know how to duplicate the work that you did to become successful and not be afraid to teach others how to do the same. Hope you enjoyed Lil Herbie's tips about money and how to make money. You follow these tips and share them with friends and family, and success will always follow you. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe below. See you next time.